Hi, Alana. I'm gonna read to you this book, Snore. Snore. All was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep, cat was asleep, cow was asleep, sheep was asleep, pig was asleep, and so were all the piglets. It was all so peaceful till snore. And cat woke up, cow woke up, sheep woke up, pig woke up, and so did all the piglets. Snore! It was so loud now, no one could sleep. Not cat, or cow, or sheep, or pig, nor all the piglets. Snore! How can we get dog to stop snoring? So we can all get back to sleep, said cat. Look, it's dog who's snoring. I know, said cow. And cow went up to dog and went a tissue right down his ear. Snore! I know, said sheep. And sheep went up to dog and went boo right down his ear. Snore! He's still not waking up. I know, said pig. And pig went up to dog and went hee hee right down his ear. And all the piglets went hee 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 hee. Snore! I know, said cat. Why don't we sing to him? Maybe that'll stop him snoring and we can all go back to sleep. So cat went purr, snore, and cow went moo, snore, and sheep went baa, snore, and pig went oink, and all the piglets went grunt, 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 grunt. Snore! Oh dear, the dog doesn't wake up. Then, as the sun rose over the trees, Rooster woke up with a cock-a-doodle-doo, and Dog woke up with a harumph, and off he trotted down the road after his good night's sleep. But cat and cow and sheep and pig and all the piglets were so tired they fell asleep. Snore, 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 snore. The end.